You've heard the old saying, you are what you eat, but it's more appropriate to say you are what you drink. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about healthy living with pure water right after this.
Need a proven go-to solution for your next tile project? Use what the pros use. Prism Ultimate Performance Cement Grout by Custom Building Products is ideal for virtually any tiling project. It offers consistent color without any modeling or shading. Its lightweight formula makes it easy to use and spread. Not only that, it's highly stain resistant, sets in just a few hours, and is available in 40 colors. Find it at the Home Depot. Prism Grout from Custom Building Products. We know grout. Count on Custom.
Did you know that 72% of the human body is made up of water? Water also plays a vital role in our health and well-being. So it stands to reason that the purer the water we consume, the healthier the benefits. Unfortunately, even by today's standards, the tap water in our homes can be overwhelmed with contaminants, including microbial cysts, lead, pesticides, and even certain pharmaceuticals. A filter can also reduce sediment and chlorine taste and odor. Filters can be added to help purify the water for the entire house, but they're expensive and sometimes unnecessary. Instead, look into a filter dedicated just for drinking water. These under-counter filters are easy to install yourself and much more affordable. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.